In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the sidebar in Figma. Start by opening your design so you can see your canvas and the panels around it. The sidebar is the set of panels that sit beside your canvas and can take up a fair bit of space. Hiding it is helpful when you want more room to design, present, or take clean screenshots without the extra interface getting in the way. To quickly hide the sidebar in Figma, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+/. Think of this as a simple toggle. Press it once to hide. Press it again to bring the sidebar back. This is great when you need to switch between focused designing and adjusting settings without digging through menus. Nothing in your file is deleted or changed by hiding the sidebar. You are only changing what's visible on your screen. If you only want to hide the left layer panel, use Ctrl+Shift+/. The left panel is where your layers, frames, and sometimes assets live. Hiding just this area is useful if you still want to keep other UI elements visible, while giving your canvas a bit more breathing room. Again, it's a toggle, so the same shortcut brings it right back when you need to check layers or reorder elements. Prefer using the menu instead of shortcuts? You can do that too. Open the Figma menu at the top, choose View, and toggle Show or Hide UI. This option controls the visibility of the interface, just like the shortcut. When the UI is hidden, the menu option will say Show UI. When it's visible, it will say Hide UI. If you are ever unsure which state you are in, just look for that wording in the menu or press the shortcut to reveal everything instantly. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.